In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly cornrow your own hair and how to part your hair to get a neat braid. If that's what you're interested in seeing, then definitely keep on watching this video. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So just to begin, I wanted to show you this is what a basic braid looks like, okay, and this is what the idea of cornrowing was built on. So I brought this up close just in case you don't know how to do a regular braid, just so you could observe what is being done here. So let's get started. I feel like to really understand the basics of cornrowing, you might need to see somebody else cornrow another person's hair up close. Even if you've seen someone else do it before, I just feel like seeing this up close will help you better understand the whole idea of cornrowing your own hair. I'm still going to be showing you how to cornrow your own hair, but first of all, I feel like this might help you understand better. So to get clean parts, you want to apply tension with the comb, but not enough tension to injure the scalp. First things first, you just want to section out the hair into 3 pieces. Just the first 3 pieces you're going to be starting with. And so when you have your 3 pieces down, as you can see right now, so you want to just pass your right middle finger to pick up the hair being held by your left middle finger. Like the hair you're pinching between your index finger and your thumb is being picked up by your right middle finger and passed underneath it. So a lot of people actually use their index finger instead of their middle finger for this picking up of hair. You can use that if you are more comfortable with it, but I just use my middle finger to pick up hair from the left side and use my left middle finger to also pick up hair from the right side, then pass it through to the other side. So watch this now. My hand that is in the middle picked up hair and went to the other side. I did the same thing over there, then over to this right side right now. I picked up hair and I crossed that over, just passing it underneath each other. So it's just that's just how to cornrow. But yeah, let me just let you watch the rest of the video. I'm going to be showing you with my own hair how to do this. Okay, so again, I'm going to be showing you how to do this on your own hair. If you didn't get the first illustration, we can try again. First of all, section your hair out into 3 pieces to start. So you're going to be starting from the right side. You will be holding your hair with your thumb and your index finger while your middle finger grabs the hair being held on the left side with your index finger and thumb and brings it over to the right side while grabbing some hair. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'm just going to let you watch this for a little bit, but grabbing the hair with the middle finger is basically what you do while cornrowing. While you're grabbing the hair, you are also adding in more hair from the section that you're working on. So you see my middle finger moving from both sides. Both my middle fingers are grabbing hairs from the right side and the left side. So with each movement, I grab a piece of hair and add it to the section I'm working on, then move on to the other side, grab more hair and move it to the other side, okay? So once I'm done with this, I complete the cornrow by braiding it to the ends. And if you didn't understand this, don't worry, let's try again here. Okay, so first things first, you section out 3 pieces of hair. Once you're done sectioning out 3 pieces, then you take hair from the left side, move it over to the right side by grabbing it with your middle finger. You can use your index finger as long as you grab the hair. Meanwhile, while you're grabbing it, you pick up a little piece of hair from the section that you're working with as well. So while you're grabbing with your middle finger, you are also picking up a little piece of hair. So you pick from the right side, and then you also pick a little piece of hair. So the hair being held between your index finger and your thumb is the hair that you're going to pick up, but you also add a little piece of hair from the section behind your hand. Like the section you're cornrowing, you keep picking small pieces of hair as you walk your way down. So you pick up hair with your middle finger from the left side, and you add a little piece of hair while you're at it and move it to the other side. Then you also use your left thumb and middle finger, do the same thing, pick up the hair being held by your index finger and your thumb, then add a little piece of hair from the section you're working on and move it to the right side. So you just keep picking up hair with your middle finger or your index finger, as the case may be, till you get to the end of the head. That's when you complete the braid by just doing a basic cornrow all the way down to the ends of the hair. So again, I'm just going to repeat the steps I've already talked about. So I do the movements with my middle finger, and I use my middle finger to grab the hair that my left hand is holding, and then use my left middle finger to grab the hair my right hand is holding. So it's basically using your finger to grab the hair at the opposite side. But while you're grabbing the hair, also make sure to pick up a little bit of hair from the section you're working on. That's while the cornrow continues, okay? So if you don't pick up the hair, the cornrow doesn't stay flat on the head. So the actual reason why the cornrow stays flush to the head is because with each movement, you grab a piece of hair from the section that you're working on. I hope this makes sense. This is key to really understanding the basics of cornrowing. So you have to pick up hair with each movement of your middle finger, like I'm doing. So you pick up hair with your middle finger and you move it to the other side. You also use your right middle finger to pick up hair from your left hand, grab a piece of hair and also move it to the other section. So let me just watch, and let me just leave you to watch this for a bit. Hopefully you're a visual learner and you can understand what I'm doing from the visuals on screen. So anyway, I hope you've been able to pick up a few things from the video. If you're watching closely enough, hopefully by now it's beginning to make a little bit of sense to you. So half the job here in learning how to cornrow is actually visualizing the whole thing in your head. So even if you don't understand it now, I feel like you can take some time to really consider the idea. Like I feel that considering and understanding the idea first is really key to figuring out how to cornrow. So I hope this video is helpful to you in some way. You're free to rewatch this video if you don't understand everything I explained the first time. You can go over this video as many times as you need to watch it until you understand the basic idea, which is what you really need to pick up. And I feel like from there you'd be able to at least attempt to cornrow your own hair. So thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I hope this video helps you. If it did and you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see future content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.